Yo, it's your boy Ogiver, aka person ex-boyfriend, aka the bad guy behind it, aka the bad guy making it and the bad guy overall. And I'm in the building, mixing and mastering Yungtrill new single Sound It, produced by Yungtrill himself. And we're almost done, we're almost in the last section of the mixing and the mastering. I'll let y'all have a sniper, like y'all can listen to part of the song right now before we put it out, you know?
Sound it. On Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I think you just tell us how to follow you on Twitter.
Okay. Right about now, we're almost done. Some minutes away from the mastering of the song. And you can follow us on Twitter at Yungtrill_SOS at IamOgiver. You can follow me on Instagram as well. Holler at me for your mixing and mastering to fix your song, to make it sound great. We're out here to
give the volume for me.